1. Create a focal point. Every room should have a focal point that draws attention, whether it's a statement piece of furniture, a bold piece of artwork, or a unique architectural feature like a fireplace or accent wall. This gives the room a sense of purpose and flow. 2. Use layered lighting. Incorporate different types of lighting such as ambient general lighting, task focused lighting, and accent decorative lighting. Layering these lights adds depth and dimension to the space, making it feel cozy and inviting. 3. Incorporate textures. Mixing textures like wood, metal, velvet, and wool adds richness to a room. A variety of textures in rugs, throw pillows, and curtains can make a space feel more interesting and luxurious. 4. Opt for a cohesive color scheme. A well-thought-out color palette can make any room look put together. Use colors that complement each other and create balance. Don't be afraid to use bold colors as accents, but keep the base neutral for a timeless look. 5. Use mirrors to enhance space. Mirrors can make rooms appear larger and reflect light, making a room feel brighter and more open. Place mirrors strategically across from windows or in narrow spaces like hallways.